Welcome back here from Cyprus. I'm Christian from Cyprus Pure, and the main thing today is how safe is Cyprus? Are your holidays protected or is it wrong? I don't know. I live here since 3.5 months and I can told you I don't feel not safe. It's no situation here in these 3 months where I can told you it's not safe or anything else. But the coolest thing is you can see it by yourself. All these tourists, all these guys here are safe. There are no police here. There are no safety instructions or anything else because we have some applications for safety instructions, and there is nothing. Really nothing. I can just told you see it by yourself what you see, if it is safe or it's not safe. And we're here in Paphos at the promenade. And the only thing that I can told you, I feel very safe. I feel safer than Germany. They told it is war here, Near East. But I can told you Cyprus is not, how does it mean? Cyprus is not injured this war. Nothing like this. We got a British airbase there by Larnaca. It's 150 kilometers from here. But we never heard something. The only thing is we see 2 jets at the sky 1 time per day. They fly here, they start here, they fly here. We heard them. They are very loud. But there is nothing else like the last years because they trained her flying skills. It's nothing about the war. And the only thing that changed in the last 1.5 months since the war started is that we can't fly by drones. Our own drones, DJI drones for movies, we can't do that. That's the only thing that changed. All other is normally here in Cyprus. You see, all these people are enjoying her holidays. Coco is there in the Pelican restaurant. You can't see any police here. If you're lucky, you can see 1 police wagon or 1 police guy here in Paphos per day, if you're lucky. Nothing seems like a war or anything else. And I just make this movie for you because all my German guys, they want to travel here to Cyprus, called me, hey Chris, it's safe or not, what we can do. Would you cancel this travel, this holiday or not? And I told them all, don't cancel, come to Cyprus and feel safe. And that is what I want to tell you from all over the world. This is Cyprus. If you can hear it, it's very quiet. It's not the best weather today. Exactly. But for safeness, it's so cool here. I told you, I feel safer like Germany. All these peoples are so friendly, they are laughing. They do all what they do every day here. They are fishing, they come with his pets here to the promenade. They eat in restaurants. They drive by ship, by car, by bus. It's all. One thing, the airport was closed for not for 1 day, for 3 hours. And they told us they see a drone in front of the airport. But nobody knows what was this drone? Was it just a DJI drone from any content creator or something else? Nobody knows that. And that was the only thing what we can talk what was since the war. Nothing else. Really nothing else. And I must say sorry because my English is so bad. I just learned it for 20 years in school. But now that we immigrate here, we must learn it. And I would train it when I talk to you or when I talk to any business owners here or store owner. It's the main language here in Cyprus. And if you're planning to come to Cyprus in April, May, or another time, you can feel safe. Look by yourself. It's all safe here. Normally I'm a German content creator, but in my first video you can see it. I will link it to you in my video here, that you can see it. That is where I told where I am and what I want to do here in Cyprus and where do we come from, because we migrated here with our family, and there we told all other of them. But this movie is just to know if it's safe here in Cyprus or not. And I told you, see by yourself. It's also quiet, it's also friendly, peaceful. You see, there's nothing changed here. For more information, the weather temperature is today 18 degrees. It's cloudy. It's the 2nd April. And water temperature is between 18 and 20 degrees. In front here at the beaches, you can reach 21. I have my Apple Watch and there is a temperature sensor inside and they told 21 degrees. But I feel it. In January it was cold. It was very cold water. It was 16 degrees. And in February it was 17, 16, cold too. In March it will be a little bit better, and now in April I feel the water is very, very cool. It's cool. If you want to go to swim, it's imagine. It's very cool. It's very, very cool. It's one thing I can told. I have no more English letters for that. So, and now you can see it's all safe here. I appreciated that you looked this movie to this place, and when you want, you can subscribe to this channel or give a like, you can commentary or something else. My name is Christian from Cyprus Pure, and I'm out. Thanks for looking.